Hello, Ontario. I had a question, or Amanda too, or anyone. My question was, I wanted to try out my opt-in page, so I came over here and I did my website address. I entered the best email address. Now, once somebody enters their email address, shouldn't I get a this is my Gmail that I got set up for Power Lead System. On this part right here, let me show you. Excuse me, I got a cold. Where is it at? Yeah, right here. Where I went in a training, it said to set up your Gmail direct send. So once they opt in, shouldn't it have sent uh, a notification to me that somebody signed in or opt in? And if it did, what am I doing wrong? I remember I had everything working at first until we had to put in that one page that wasn't working or showing up the graphics, and then when you guys told us to change it, then it seemed like everything kind of went haywire for me. And there was something else. Let's see. I wanted to mention. What's it under here? I just want to make sure. So since I pay for the traffic, I just want to make sure that I get the follow up, the emails and stuff, so I can see that it's coming. But let's see. I guess that's it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that would be it, I guess. Uh, okay. I could have swore like the first time when I set everything up, I tested it. I put an email in there, and then I was getting like sent, even though I didn't think I had it set up, but I was getting like a email every, like I think it was like almost every day from Power Lead System, like follow up emails. All right.